I'm very happy to show you the project we were working on with Ieva for the last couple of weeks. Let me share my screen. So, Arktikaantarktika 0.9. That was an amazing collaboration for me. Working with Ieva was a great pleasure. Even though I have a really huge experience with collaborative work, this cooperation was totally unique for me. We are coming from totally different backgrounds, but very quickly we found common understanding in our deep sensitivity in environmental degradation. We call our project Arktikaantarktika 0.9 because we are referring to the software versioning. 0.9 mean beta version. It's not the accident that we are using computer terminology because the final effect of our cooperation is the software. We build the virtual space, interactive space available online. So let me show you the space. Let's walk through this a little bit. And then in the background, I can tell you a little bit more. So in the project, I was focusing more on building environment. Ieva provide her painting to create the landscape texture. But in every level of our cooperation, we were making decisions together. So at the end, it's for me very difficult to say who was responsible for what, because it was like really work of two persons in one body, in a way. So the map we built is based on the outline of Manhattan. So we create, in a way, another reality. That reality is like just next to the real Manhattan or immersed with it. The text overlapping the drawing is created using the made-up word Arktikaantarktika, which became a repetitive sound and connects to poles. The depiction of the experience's state of mind. To get closer to it, we decided to take a walk on the drawing as we were entering our state of mind. In this mindscape, we wander inside the semi-fictional topography. We imagine a fragment of Manhattan, Iceland somewhere in between two poles, Arctica and Antarctica, and us, who worked and live in New York City. And all are merging into one. As well, we merge as one with the glaciers, if we believe that our world is an interconnected ecosystem on all levels, spiritual, mental, and physical. If one could say to oneself, climatic change, the melting is happening in me as well. This is a imagination, but also the fact. The rise in water levels in New York is slow and irregular, and therefore distorts the human perception of change. Areas that have never experienced flash floods, we start to experience them, in part because global warming will also increase rainfall. Within 100 years, Lower Manhattan will be submerged by waters from the melted ice caps of the Arctic and Antarctic. So the space is still in the process. We are like developing it each week, and then we're hoping that we're gonna work on it even more, and it will be like a live space, still in process. Now, if you are interested, you can walk by yourself. The space is available for as a virtual space under the website Arktikaantarktika.com. Also, Dina paste the address in our chat if someone just want to copy paste. There's a couple information you should know and be aware. Loading depends from your internet connection. Might take from 50 seconds to even a couple minutes. It's really good if you update your browser and you're moving around the space like in regular game with the arrow keys and the mouse that controls the movement of the head. If you want to move faster through the space, you can use the shift button. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Please feel welcome to see our Arktikaantarktika space by yourself.